use it, and much more. Before jumping to our topic, let me request you all to subscribe my channel for a lot of amazing, informative, and helpful content. And stop, don't forget to press the bell icon for a lot of videos notification at once. So let's start today's topic, which is Nest Aware. First of all, you all need to know what is Nest Aware. So what is Nest Aware? Nest Aware is a paid subscription service you can use with your Nest products to help you and keep you informed about important events at your home. Standard features and upgraded features are different depending on which camera, speaker, or display you have and which region your home is in. Okay. Now, if we're talking about what is Nest Aware, then we can also talk about what is the difference between Nest and Nest Aware. The biggest difference is that Nest Aware is moving from a pay per device model to a whole home subscription that covers all the Nest devices for a single account. It means that you don't have just purchase different subscriptions for different devices. You just have to purchase a single subscription for your whole home devices. While talking about it, here comes the question in our mind that is it free or not? So let me tell you that the free trial can detect and alert you about people, animals, and vehicles, but the subscription adds facial recognition for familiar faces. So Nest can tell if a loved one or a stranger is at the door and alert you accordingly. Yes, it is free for 30 days at the cost of $0, but it will have different plans, which we'll discuss later. So now we'll jump to our screen. Here we are at Chrome. We just have to type buy and manage Nest Aware on our Google and just click the first link you get. Here you can see that how can you buy and manage your Nest Aware services, Nest Aware pricing, Nest Aware monthly, yearly plans, and much more. So let's talk about it. First of all, we will talk about Nest Aware pricing. Okay, Nest Aware subscriptions are billed monthly or yearly. Okay, prices are in the local currency, so choose your country. That means that different countries will have different pricing plan according to their local currency. Here you can choose between the country, okay, and can see if Nest Aware services are available in your country or not, because Nest Aware services are not available in all the possible countries, and there are different countries that will have Nest Aware services. So if we look on the billing criteria or subscription plans, Nest Aware monthly will cost you $6. On the other hand, Nest Aware Plus monthly will cost you $12. It means that double from the Nest Aware monthly. Nest Aware yearly will cost you $60, and on the other hand, Nest Aware Plus yearly will cost you $120. Okay, here are Nest Aware Zero trials. Nest Aware Zero trial. As I just have informed you earlier that you can use a free trial of 30 days at the cost of $0. It will have limited services, but these are a good go if you want to check on it before purchasing a monthly or yearly plan. So if you click the drop down, you will get all the possible information to switch between a yearly or monthly subscriptions and to use the $0 free trial. So here comes how can we subscribe to Nest Aware through the Google Home app. Let me clear you one thing, that Nest Aware services are only
Oh, the
available
first
for
day.
Android devices, and not for the iOS. If you want to subscribe, then on iOS, you just have to go to Google Home app. Um, these are available on Android because Google is supported on Android, and it is easy and convenient for Android user to use Nest Aware services. So, how can we subscribe to Nest Aware through the Google Home app in addition to subscribing through Google Store? You can subscribe to Nest Aware through a Google Home app and your Android device during or after a 30-day trial, $0 30-day trial. Note, Nest Aware subscription through the Google Home apps are only available on Android devices. As I have just told you, if you don't have an Android device, you can subscribe through Google Store. First of all, you have to open the Google Home app on your Android device. Okay, tap on the photo on the upper right corner of your Google Home app to make sure that you have signed in with the account you want to use to subscribe the Nest Aware. It means that you just simply have to check if you are logged in into your Google account or logged into with a desired Google account you want to subscribe your Nest Aware with. Okay, from the home view, tap on settings under the feature tab Nest Aware. Then you have just need to type subscribe. If you haven't previously used your Nest Aware $0 trial, you'll see an option to start a 30-day $0 trial. After starting with your $0 trial, you should see the option to subscribe to Nest Aware. Okay, it means that you just have, you can simply enjoy 30-day free trial, and then you can just choose between the services. Choose your Nest Aware plan, choose between monthly or yearly billing. Okay, for subscription packages, review your purchase and then tap on subscribe. You will receive an email with a receipt from the Google Play. It is a confirmation receipt that will tell you that your subscription is ready to use. You will manage your Nest Aware subscription through Google Play. How can you understand your
So many high-tech
subscription? So
episode
there
storage,
are
running app on
different
YouTube.
methods, different criteria from where you can understand what are your subscriptions. So there are three types of Nest Aware subscriptions. In order to manage your subscription, you must first understand which subscription type you have. Okay, you just need to know which subscription type you have and which services you can avail with the specific subscription type. To manage your Nest Aware subscription, you need to be the home owner, and that is one condition that you must be the home owner to manage between the Nest Aware subscriptions in the Nest app or Google Home app. Depending on what you have purchased, what is your subscription, and you may have Nest Aware first generation or Nest Aware second generation. Okay, Nest Aware first generation is uh, whole thing, uh, different thing, and Nest Aware second generation is a different thing. Nest Aware second generation can also be called as Nest Aware Plus. Here we will just have a quick look on the subscription structures. In the Nest Aware first generation, separate subscription structure is like separate subscription for each camera in your home. If you are having different cameras in your home, you just need to have a different subscription for each camera and there. And if you are using a Nest Aware second generation, one subscription for all the cameras in your home. You just need a single subscription for all the camera devices at your home. And if we look on the billing cycle, first generation is monthly or annually, and so on. The second generation works accordingly with the monthly or annually plans. If we look on the billing account, here comes the two conditions for the first generation. First one is that if you're using the Nest app before August 19, 2019, you will create a Nest account to manage your Nest products. Okay, you just need to have to create a Nest account. And if you have started using the Nest app after August 19, 2019, you are already using a Google account. It means that for customers after 19 August 2019, it is shifted on the Google account, whereas the Nest where second generation works on the required Google account only. If we see the in-app management, so it can be managed. If we talk about the first generation, it can be managed from Nest or Home app both. And similarly, the second generation works in the same way. Additional subscriptions, adding additional subscription, if we add about it, if we want to add additional subscriptions, so you can only get first generation subscription if you don't use a Google account to sign into the Nest app, and you can continue with the renewing existing Nest Aware first generation subscription if you use a Google account to sign into the Nest app. Okay, these are the two conditions for first generation. And if we move on to the second generation, subscriptions are applied per home, okay, not per device. Similarly, as I have told you earlier, that it is not device specific, it is home specific. If you want to add some additional services, you just need to create a new home under your account for a new subscription in the second generation Nest. Next, we will talk about the availability. Your home needs to be in the country that supports Nest Aware, and both plan works with the same statement. Next, if we see the partners management, if you purchase these are similar for both of the plans. If you share Nest Aware first generation through one of our partner, it means that Nest Aware partners, their policies might be different from that you will see in this article. Okay, policies might be different, and your Nest partner will guide you and uh, will help you and give you all the details about your subscription. And these partner management are similar for both of the plans. And so next comes, if you want to add Nest Aware to your existing devices, if you are already having some devices and you want to add Nest Aware services in it, you just need to be the home owner. Okay, just go to your Nest Aware, go to your subscription, select subscribe to Nest Aware, choose a plan, select next, choose your payment method, select confirm purchase, and your subscription will start. Okay, if you're 30-day free travel, and or within 24 hours if your trial has already been ended. Okay, for cellular backup will help you to just have an eye on your home if you are away from it. If you have Nest Secure, learn how to purchase or cancel cellular backup. You just need to click on this call to action, and it will just give you all the possible details to purchase or cancel cellular backups. Next comes how to switch to Nest Aware second generation, and you can just read it out. There's no hard and fast rule about it. These are the simple steps if you want to switch between first and second generation. And then comes how to switch between Nest Aware base and Nest Aware plus plans. And similarly, it is also having some simple steps. You can go through it. Okay, now we come to the change of payment method. If you are using a payment method that you no longer want to use, and you want to change your card or change your payment plan or change your payment method on Nest Aware, you can simply do that by following these simple steps. You can change the card or payment method you use to pay for your subscription. You just need to go to your subscription. For the subscription you would like to update, like change payment method, choose a payment method you would like to pay for, select update, and that's it. These are the simple steps. Next comes subscription renewals. If you want to renew your subscription, you just don't need to worry about it, because subscription renewal is automatic with Nest Aware. These will automatically renew your subscriptions according to your plan or subscription, monthly or yearly plan. Okay, so these subscription will charge on the billing cycle you have just entered. If you want to cancel cancel your subscription means that you are done with Nest Aware. You don't need to have the services in the future. You just simply cancel your subscription. For canceling your subscription, you just need to go to your Google Store or Google Play.